Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, September 14th. Temperatures will run near normal today, and conditions will remain dry through the evening for much of the area, but a quick low pressure system is going to bring isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms as early as this afternoon through tomorrow evening, along with cooler temperatures tomorrow and Tuesday. And then after that, high pressure will return Tuesday through Thursday, and that's going to keep conditions drier and warmer for the second half of the week. Our weather risk outlook is starting to look pretty bare. Today we do have those chances for showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the central mountains for the first part of the day. And as we head into the evening and overnight hours and into Monday, best chances will start to transition further northeastward as that system shifts through. And then for Tuesday, maybe some lingering showers and thunderstorms just in the eastern highlands, but really starting to dry out as our pattern changes to high pressure. And then really nothing to speak of for Wednesday and Thursday as high pressure will be in control. Our high temperature forecast for today, temperatures are expected to be just within a few degrees of normal as that transient ridge shifts overhead through the first part of the day, allowing our daytime temperatures to warm to close to normal today. So we're looking at mid to high 70s for our lower elevations and 50s, upper 50s and 60s for the mid to high elevations. And for wind gusts this afternoon, much of the area will see about 15 to 25 miles per hour. But I do want to mention with our thunderstorms today, models are showing potential for 40 to 50 mile per hour outflows. And that the best corridor for that will be like central Idaho, and then those wind gusts shifting out into the Snake Plain and areas further east. So initiating anywhere from the central mountains down south into south central Idaho, and then those gusts, like I said, shifting further eastward. Probability of lightning and precipitation today. So this is for the afternoon time frame as that shortwave starts to swing through. We'll see best chances in the central mountains and potentially even down into south central Idaho. But then as we transition into the evening and nighttime hours, those chances will start to increase further east and especially northeast as that shortwave lifts northeastward. And low temperatures tonight, we'll see mid to upper 40s for our lower elevations and widespread 30s and 40s higher up. And for temperatures tomorrow, much cooler than expected today, maybe about 10 degrees cooler than today, also about 10 degrees below climatological norms for much of the area. So maybe not even exceeding 70 across a lot of our valleys. And wind gusts for tomorrow afternoon, slightly breezier, much more of the area probably seeing 20 to 25 miles per hour. And probability of lightning and precipitation tomorrow. Like I said, those best chances will start to transition further northeastward with the best potential for those showers and thunderstorms being in the eastern highlands, Montana Divide region, Lemhi County as well. And temperatures for tomorrow night, several degrees cooler behind the system, so low to mid 40s across our lower elevations. And for high temperatures on Tuesday, starting to warm back up, not quite as warm as we're expecting today, somewhere in between, about low to mid 70s. So still shy of normal for this time of year, but starting to warm back up, that warming trend. And wind gusts for Tuesday afternoon, generally about 15 miles per hour or less. And chance of precipitation and thunder for Tuesday. As that system starts to depart and high pressure starts to take control, we'll see very little chances, mostly just along our borders with Wyoming, a small portion of our border with Montana, but generally dry conditions for much of the day Tuesday for much of the area. And temperatures for Tuesday night, low to mid 40s yet again, with mostly 20s and 30s higher up. And for our outlooks, for our 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, we've got above normal precipitation favored, as well as above normal temperatures favored. So just to summarize, today we'll see near normal temperatures with dry conditions through the afternoon or the evening, depending on where you're at. but that low pressure system will keep isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast through tomorrow evening, area dependent, along with cooler temperatures for the next couple days. And then after that, high pressure will return Tuesday, and that's going to keep conditions drier and warmer for the second half of this week. Thanks so much for listening. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and hope you have a wonderful Sunday.